The universe is saying to you today, the universe has a plan to give you a breakthrough in all aspects of your life. Start packing soon. Your address is going to change. You are about to make an entry to your new place soon. Understanding the message. When we receive messages from the universe, it's important to understand that they are often symbolic and can have different meanings for different people. In this case, the message seems to be about a major change or transition that is about to happen in your life. The universe is telling you that a breakthrough is coming and it's time to prepare for it by packing and getting ready to move to a new place. Embracing change. Change can be scary and uncertain, but it's also an opportunity for growth and new experiences. Trust that the universe has a plan for you and that this change is for your highest good. Embrace it with an open mind and heart and be excited for what's to come. Preparing for the move. If you do decide to move to a new place, it's important to take the necessary steps to prepare for the transition. Start by decluttering and packing up your belongings. Make a list of things you need to do before the move, such as canceling utilities and setting up new accounts. Reach out to friends or family members for help or hire a professional moving company if necessary. In conclusion, if you received a similar message from the universe, remember to trust the process and embrace the change that is coming your way. Prepare for the move with a positive attitude and take practical steps to make the transition as smooth as possible. Type yes if you believe.